Hi guys, so today I'm going to Knott's Berry Farm with my best friend, and I'm going to be vlogging as much as I can, going on all the rides and stuff. So yeah, let's go! Getting in my car to go see Marley and meet her at the place where we're meeting so we can drive together.
Hi guys, so I am with Marley and she was actually in my last video. You guys should go you guys should go check that out. It was the best friend tag. I will link it down below. And so we had just stopped at Subway getting some sandwiches so that we can be nice and full when we go to Knott's, and we're super excited. So yeah. Hi, so we are just walking in Knott's Berry Farm. There's a really loud roller coaster behind us. It's kind of scary. It's like Christmas, like everywhere. Christmas. Okay, so we are in line for the ghost tour. There's nobody here. There's like no line right now, empty. I'm really nervous. I'm nervous just because like this is the first ride. I'm also excited. Hey guys, so I'm at Knott's, like you know, and I met a really cute boy, and I think you should meet him. He's my bae. Hey guys, okay, so we're at Knott's. She's vlogging too. I met a really cute guy. And then there's this other really cute boy. That's my guy. Sit on his lap. I love him. He's mine. No, he's mine. because they won't let me go on a lot of rides because my cast. But we're gonna sneak on Silver Bullet with a jacket over it. But we went on this mini ride 3 times in a row and practically threw up. Got Marley ready. So yeah, I gotta go.